So, hello everyone. Um, Welcome to my first, stream in English. So, it will be like hard for me to do this, but I have to do it. Never mind. Today we're gonna progress with Unearthed, and I'm about to introduce my separate render tech to you or to Vita devs. Today I'm gonna implement it and write a script that will automatically add the second camera, and you can configure it through the script. So basically, the script will add a plane with unlit shader with a rendered texture at the bottom of main camera render distance, and most of visible objects in scene will be rendered via second camera, which is in lower resolution, and it will render in forward render path or in vertex lit path. So wait a bit. Why can't I? Go on. So I guess let's begin with, and why Unity is not in full screen? Why? Okay. So wait for 5 minutes before I prepare everything to process next. I have a problem with donation alerts. Its browser source not displaying at all, and I want to resize Unity window since that's not cool. I mean, okay, bruh, that's great. Так. I don't want to put funk in the background, so where's all retrowave? No copyright sounds mix. Cool music. 11 hours of music for stream or video or games.
From the start, chained to our past.
drums. No, got this. Okay, so we got electronic music in background. It's not the music I want to play on my stream, but who cares? I just can't find a proper retrowave playlist, so let's enjoy what we got. So, media placement. Where's my media?
They were blinded, tried to deny us, didn't think we were following our hearts. We are breaking free, it's just you and me. We might fall apart, now we're running
Get that because of alpha level. Why my link isn't there? And alright, should open this window and keep it like open. Okay, if I source. Whoa, source. Wait a second. It's not the window. Maybe the resolution issue? And nothing changed. So what's wrong with the nation values today? Where's my unity? Where's unity? Where is unity? Why can't I stream unity like browser source is not working in any way. It just, doesn't work. It's too bad. Settings, advanced, remove like port, start recording, then checks new browser source hardware version sources. Save. Let's change this. Let's see if it can happen. No. Wait a bit. I'll be here in 5 minutes. Okay. Round. Okay. I remembered one thing from my to-do list with unearthed things. I'm gonna launch my work and check it for some serious shit. For this, not this document. Well, it's my to-do list. And these changes don't see it since my notebook shut itself down since I put it in. Let's begin with where's my purchase level. Just open it. Window. There's my layout. There's my main layout. That's my main layout. So, as you may know, this level is like running in low frame rate, and I don't know why. Since if we open it, unmute audio and pick up my controller, let's run it and I'm gonna pick my batteries. As you can see, polygon and vertex count is not so big, but on Vita it is running totally slow. So I have an idea about what's happening. Look at this. That's not a like regular Unity terrain. That's just a bunch of separate files. Each got its own texture made with paint or something like that. That's I mean, no words for it. There's too much work for CDRM bandwidth. We've got around 120 tiles in there, and each of tiles got its own like texture. That's cringe. So now I want to find somewhere blended shader and just rewrite it, so all scene will only contain two textures. Blend with some kind of blending map, or maybe even black and white map, that will do the same thing. Like, it's the only way we've got to improve it. Just look at this. Every of these styles is okay. Let's find like some Unity to texture blending with normal map. Blending to normal scene texture, not this time. Unity blend to textures shader. Then let's make a new shader. Where's my shader folder? It is not working. Great. Where's shaders? Only shader, and we're gonna call it like quad cheese blend. Let's open it and I'll show you my Notepad++. Where's window? Let's duplicate. What? Let's duplicate it. Window 2. And this with
Take what you want from me. I'll give
that's
you
it.
everything. All that and more you'll see. Just stay
There.
right here with me. Love is not fiction, but this time the story's about
Not this window, but
a king and a queen will pretend to be with paper crowns.
so let's copy it into custom quad cheese blend. Color we don't need it. Unity got it. For the shader.
Out of our fortress with paper crowns.
Yeah, you know my bumped diffuse shader got a color property, but don't use it, so we're gonna like repeat. So what we need to do is fix the rip. With this. And remove this property. Blend. But it should be blend by, you know, each of texture pixel should be blend by some kind of map, but I can't find. Where's the problem? Derp. Text UD, main text. In UV main text. Main text 2. UV main text. So it should work like that. And what now?
I see it. Above and ahead of me. I'm still climbing.
It's not my show. Okay, let's change this. Custom. What is that? That's not the solution I've been looking for. So it's blending between two textures using alpha for the curved picture. Best method. What's this? Oh, this is surface shader.
What the hell are we looking for?
Let's try to copy it like. What I'm gonna do is
Up and ahead of me.
change it to so header is set up by this. Change blend to center to the that should do the trick. Blend, extract input, flow to UV blend.
Silence calls to me from the treetops of this world. A
Then
balance,
text
feeling free. I'm a part of this place of birth.
blend
And I know
in UV
cannot last,
blend.
but at last I can finally breathe. And I know it cannot
Yeah, looks like. How should we do? Aha. Looks like it is working, but no, it's not working. What? Oh. A single typo, but let's try something like this picture and second, and nothing works. Where's my what? Jeez, blend. But everything should be alright. One another typo, just like two semicolon typos in a minute. That's
floating away with you in the backseat of my car.
but what can I do with it?
We're timeless,
So
sailing through,
we can
but
pick
tonight no, we
this.
can't go far.
Looks like we got some smooth specular highlights,
Can finally breathe.
but it's ain't working properly.
It cannot last, but at
Let's
last I can
think.
finally see.
Move it. Oh no, it looks so bad. So now we're gonna like edit this mountain texture and sand texture to make separate materials and produce some kind of lightweight. Don't tell me they had painted textures one on another and then repeated for so much materials. Each other is separate instead of using like regular Unity terrain. We can use like this is tile number 9. Tile number 9. 09. Let's try to texture blend satisfy and nothing works. Now let's just one another texture. It still doesn't work. Let's open this normal map. And what was in the original surface shader? I don't want to use like surface shaders, but it looks like effective. Let's trace output. It like did something. Let's like paint a mountain for its texture. Oh, this star was in the number 79. So I was wrong before. Well, let's get back now. We're gonna like paint solid color for mountain texture and left alpha for sand texture, I guess. Let's do this. Now I'm gonna show you paint.net. Where's my paint.net? Like this. So let's do something like this, or no, do this like this. And we're gonna shoot use a bit of transparency. Yeah, it should do the trick. So let's blend it. Now it is painted with solid red color. So, and disable this window and save this as yet another VIta texture studio. I call it quad chase blending maps, and this will be 79. Yeah, with transparency. $79D. This is not a color texture. Alpha is transparency. So resolution. Let's reduce it. Like this. Let's blend it like with two solid colors for test, or I'm gonna make a solid sand texture. Solid, seamless sand texture. Let's resize it effects, fill from clipboard, tiling and mirror both directions with zoom. So this will be send quad chase send. And second texture, copy, create new, resize, fill from clipboard, and save as quad chase rocks. So now we got two textures, and let's try to put it in. And it looks like almost proper, but we have to configure it to enable normal maps. So we're gonna into shader, add normal map. Should add normal map pass, unpack normal. Is it even suitable? Let's create a new name. Let's make a new property, name bump map. Load UV bump map. Struct input. Simpler 2D bump map. Simpler 2D. We will replace this with half. Control F. Replace, find. Here. Copy. Replace. Yeah, but it looks like too much gloss. I should reduce it somehow. Let's enable lighting, and it still looks better than the older shader. Keep it close. So, yeah. Here's what I should do in background, or I should do it now. Well, I guess I don't know, since, 120 tiles with this operation will take so much time, but the question is if I only have to do it now, or I can do it later. I don't know. So let's start right away. I have to get all the materials and their textures and swipe them with swipe their shader and open my paint.net file and then save this one. these two textures and let's blend them. Like this. Let's save this. Is a 78 tile. Custom quality blend. 78. Does it look different? Doesn't it look different? Let's change its resolution and type. Now. This texture a bit. Not this side, so what's wrong with it? Oh, there's like, yeah, I got it. So I have fixed it, but it still looks different, I guess. But not that much if you can notice it. So let's remove metallic because I don't need it right now. And let's remove third shader model. It looks like it's different, but I don't want to use the third shader model on PlayStation Vita, you know. That would be too much for it. 77. Let's open it. Go. The music on the background is a bit intense, but it will happen. Background, save as 77. There's two materials. Oh, I see now. Where's my file? I should check for VRAM later. Six. Sorry about music, but so I reduced it, okay? Hi, Deacon or Daikon channel. So yeah, this channel will be partially in English, because you know there's not so much Vita users in Russian internet, or even in Russia, or in any other post-Soviet country. So, but videos in Russian will still be, you know, in time. But I can't like stream in two languages at the same time. I know that's cringe, but what can I do with it? Okay. That's the only way to improve my English, you know. Teacher plans 76. $76. Save and then close. Custom shader. 76. Max. Send. Looks great. Let's continue. Is someone still watching? Sorry for the music. I know that it is loud, but what should I do with it? I have reduced it, okay? New materials. And I just can't, you know, increase contrast since I had to remove send and left this as alpha channel anyway, so it doesn't matter. save as 66. Yeah. And save it like this. Repeat it. I should keep original, tile files, but they will be excluded from build, so there's nothing to worry about. If build is getting bigger, no. It will only reduce after this. 67. Yes. Like this, not safe. Where am I? Custom shader. What? Not this shader. 66. Sand. Rock. I'm back. Rock. Is there any sand? 60, 67. What? And where's any sand? Like, oh, 67. Now it works properly. It will be a little darker, as I can see. Where's my translation page? Oh, here it is. 57, 58, but 58 like is almost all about sand, but not totally, so we're gonna save it like 58, join, it, and paint some more. And I don't know if I should show you the paint process, but I mean, this is a separate window and I'll have to swipe windows every time I get back to Unity, and this will be too slow. So I will close this and this and this and this and this and this. 57, 57, and rock. The 8. The 8. Sand. Rock. I reduce blending texture resolution later, not now. Um, 56. Why this material isn't called like 56? $56. $56. Cent. Alright. Okay. There's only single material. Yeah, it is. Where's my... Where's my window? Here it is. There's something wrong with my mouse. Where's my mouse? As you can see, this is an ordinary gaming mouse, but it has a big issue. It does double clicks in random times, and I don't know how to fix it. You can say, why don't you use one another mouse? Here it is, my favorite mouse, but I don't have a proper battery for it. I mean, now we're running on some heavy-duty regular cells, but I want to it to work on rechargeable batteries. But all my rechargeable batteries are dead. That wasn't expected. I was like connected to PC, and then I realized it can just stop moving and lock at any time. So it's unusable. It's even more unusable than this mouse. Let's try to use it. It is heavier and smaller than Marvo, something like this. Fentech with G7 Garen gaming mouse, something like this. I don't want to understand what it is saying. So for now it is working like great. But let's watch them. So I started to glitch. Not working properly all the time. This cringe. I should paint them by hand. This and this. Save as 53.png. The next is 54 and 55. I should like some worker for myself, imprison him and torture him with unearthed development. Like, do it for me. Do a favor for me. Can you, end development of this project here? Like, just kill me, please. Do it right away. I won't do on your development anyway. Please kill me now. And it's not hard, but it is boring. And music can't help after all. It's not the music I've been listening. Then 54 finally is done. So we can get all of these shaders, change them to custom quad cheese blend. Use sand here and rock here, and then use separate blending file for each other of them. 54. Uh, 55. Should I increase contrast or something? I mean, they all are like too dark. What's wrong with them? Something with my light config, perhaps? I don't know. Remove this. Tiles. And this is 68. I was right. That's it. Tile under number 68. Let's repaint it to let's save 68 one. Custom quad cheese blade 68 blade texture. Sand. Where's my sand? Where's my rock texture? Yeah, that is boring, but it's not even a quarter, will be hard. Quad cheese is. Maybe it is 52. Not ready yet. So let's use one another. Custom quad cheese blend and use like 54 to create sand. Rock. Looks my better. Looks much better than it was. Let's take a sample of the editor to check info about VRM in use, and now it use even more VRM. What? It's because the higher is not. Let's keep the resolution of original textures level, but compare them, and let's reduce the resolutions like this, and it's still okay. With transparency, it is not a color texture. Oh yeah. Even if you use a really low resolution, it will blend perfectly. So why don't use 32 by 32 pixels instead of this big resolution? It looks like almost without any differences. Let's take another editor sample. Will it show? And now 5 more megabytes of VRM is available according to editor, and if I relaunch it, there will be even more. So let's keep it up until the end. Next block. And it is 88. Oh, this trick is cool. Never heard it before, but I really like how it sounds. Like some Arabic stuff, right for an Earth development, an Earth port development. I'm sorry. Like everything about this game is cringe, you know. If you haven't noticed, this is a bootleg Uncharted clone. It got around what? Average score is around 3 of 10 points, and that's awful. This is one of the worst PlayStation 3 games according to Metacritic. And why am I doing that? You know, education purposes. Oh, not. Here goes the sand. And rock goes later. Shouldn't be like this. Where's the problem? Maybe here. Now it looks better, but there's a problem with this texture. Not with this texture, but with this. It's silly. Oh, I should do this. Project settings, quality, anisotropic textures, force disabled since Vita doesn't support any of anisotropic filtering. I tried to enable it, but no use, so better disable it to save performance or something like this. Just like totally rock and nothing else, but I should do it anyway. So let's paint, just go some sand, not so much though, but you can still do something with it. Save as 89.png. Mm, 89 sand rock. It looks okay. I mean, diff. Do it like this and lie. Default change resize algorithm. Almost nothing changed. And if I use point filtering, so red. If I use trillion filtering, nothing changed. Already tired. $19.91. Cent. Rock. Why does they ain't separate? I mean, these titles connected with each other. What's wrong with her? Oh, well, I see now. Combined mesh. I still can't believe they have used something stupid like this instead of just, you know, texture blending. Can play on though. How many years ago it was? Just like this game is 7 years old or something. Yeah. I'm dying for this music. I can't even like test it right now since it's still not ready. Sand and rock. Sand, sand, rock. Custom what is plain 108. Not this texture. This sand rock. Hi, Namagen, if I can, you know, read your nickname properly. What's up? This Not so bad, I guess. If they unlit. No, they not. This is good. I think this quarter is invincible, so I can just disable it and set it. Like 0 material for now. This is visible. This is visible too. Core what? Math core? What's playing anyway? Just I was like been searching for retrowave music. So let's try another playlist. And it is still some kind of electronic music. I don't know if I can find, you know, really great retrowave playlist. Even if restart channel somehow did it, I still don't know. Mathcore? What is it? I'll ask you. Since I don't know. I mostly prefer like classic Italo disco or classic rock and even regular disco and this music doesn't fit, okay? I mean, okay. And then rock. So I have read this title, but yeah, it is invincible. So I will remove it, but not now. And what about this? It is somehow visible, but isn't important, so okay, you know what? I'll do them anyway. I don't want to do it. Not the right car. away, go away. One 112. Send. Crack. If I do it like this and what have I resized? Not this. This. Make it a little bigger, I guess. I should like holes. Don't want any poles. Donation goals. Never mind. Where's Unity? Where's Unity? Oh, here it is. I want to open Paint in new, like in a new window, to show you painting process. There's nothing special, but something like this. And I'm gonna change background to a darker one, since this isn't fit. Like this, but it's smaller. Can resize. Great. Let's continue then. This is a bit rough, but who cares? If it will be like 32 by 32 pixels and look like this in game. It will take so much time. So pixelated still. Now it should look a bit better, but it's too pixelated. I don't know why. Just like this. it has to be in so low resolution. Okay, I mean, no problem. But it looks like shit, but as you can see, no one gives a single shit about it. And how much memory we have saved? Feel like compress it in the same quality. Now let's take sample. There was 41 megabyte of VRAM used, and then we got 39 megabytes. Still too much, but I mean, now we can like increase the resolution here, right? Or I don't know. This looks blurry. And this normal mapping isn't working on Vita. Let's do this. Looks great. And what's about this rock? The same problem. It will definitely not work on Vita. These stones look soapy. Much better, I guess. We can check the performance right away. Let's remove all the scenes. Let's like. I know this song. Heard it many times before. Cringe gaming intro song for a cringe game port. I should disable streaming assets right now, so type in 1 to temporarily disable them. Hit another on your Vita test. Cringe gaming intro, gold block 2007 presented you Minecraft, Roblox, Fortnite Let's Play with my friends and shitty microphone and today we'll be playing I don't know. I haven't played Fortnite. Give me a sec. I should find my Vita. Here we go. Don't misclick. Don't misclick. So I connected my video. It is still computer. Let's wait for a bit. Well, I'm tired. Not of unearthed, but tired of, tired of that fucking driving school and fucking university. Fuck. That was a wrong move. I picked a wrong repacker. Test. So I have to recompile it. Let's use a new repacker. What it does, it can fix unsafe homebrew bug, as you know. It may be useful with a shell. Never mind. And it can remove watermark of trial version properly without leaving any errors in console, so it will boost our performance, since all the errors will eat up some CPU time, and there will be and performance will be much worse than it can be. I have provided a link to this repacker, so if you making games for Vita using Unity, you can use this repacker. And if you can't understand Russian, since it is in Russian, you can ask me. Or what's this XML file about? No, that's not the file I've been searching for. Remove source folder, remove unused files, fix unsafe homebrew, remove watermark. Then back. Let's place Vita on screen. Where's my Vita source? Here it is. Where's my Vita itself? I should restart it or what? Let's open settings. Activate and activate. Well, I should restart my Vita. Give me a sec. So that's my Vita. Let's run Vita shell. It is installed, so we're gonna run it and check the frame rate. For frame rate, for crashes, for something like this. And frame rate is still low. And what's wrong with these textures? I mean, the material is not working properly, as I can see. Oh, yeah, that's not good. Not good. What's wrong with it? Why it's so dark? Die. What is it? It's much darker than it has to be. And what was that? This they like with a problem or what? I'm gonna put my window in charging state and I'm gonna get back to my unit. And what's wrong now? And now what? It works properly. Something wrong with this shader? Unity, Lambert, shader versus standard. I'll change like lighting model to Lambert then. I don't want like PBR on Vita. Let's try this. I wish I don't have to reboot my Vita this time. I've been playing like Infected Wars this morning, so that may be the reason why it ain't connected to my PC from the start, and I had to reboot it. This time it will be better, I guess. I don't know. Back. Or never mind. So I packed it, then let's copy it into Vita, enable Vita. This not the picture to actually stream right now. I heard to reboot my Vita. Maybe I must use like FTP server. I don't know. Just power on. Maybe set kind of different picture for background. Activate. Let's try it. Now it looks even worse. And I don't know why. Dang. Yeah. What's wrong? I can get it. So, shader is still isn't working properly. Now give me error somehow. And what's the problem? Shader input. Okay. Lambert versus Berlin Fong. Fong shading small layers between faces. So I better use like Blin Fong instead of Lambert. Let's check it. Smooth this. Oh. Looks better now, but if this even works, I guess I should just try. What? 2000 shader variants of this shader? What? Maybe this will work. Let's try this, I guess. There's nothing more I can do with it. Read the test. I died of this, but I have to end it today. At least I had to finish this shader today to work properly in Vita. So I changed my lighting model from PBR to Lambert, and then from Lambert to what? What have I changed? To Blin Fong. Then let's try it like this. Fix. Remove watermark. Open self file. Why is website of my university returns me not found error? What's wrong? Back. Now let's install it. Let's give it a quick test, then. Let's run it. And enable frame rate test, frame rate monitor. Let's see if there's something different this time. And seems like it's working somehow. Not so much frames gained though. But most of tiles is still, you know, in previous state, so I have to work with them. Where's he? It worked though. So all I had to do is to finish this work. I mean, it is boring, you know. Just swapping shader and materials and redrawing them. So I'll do it later. Yeah, this stream was a bit not so good. But today I did a great job. I managed somehow to write a custom shader to, you know, improve frame rate on this level. So after it is implemented, it will work much better. So I don't know. Bye everyone. Have a great day.